Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to delete your Telegram account. So first of all, I have to tell you that unfortunately, deleting your Telegram account cannot be done instantaneously. And let me show you why later on this video. So let's head over first to our Telegram app. And then click on these triple lines on the upper left side and then click on settings to bring you to settings. Alright, so now we head over to privacy and security, click on the settings down here and let's just scroll down and then you'll see the delete my account part if await4. So in short, you just need to set up the time that you want your account to be deleted. If you want it to be gone as soon as possible, then the closest that you can ever get is 1 month. And so if you really want your account to be gone, just uninstall the app. Make sure you never open it again, because the moment you open your account, it's gonna start back to day 1 and then you're gonna wait for another month again before your account gets deleted, and it's really tricky. So just make sure you avoid your Telegram app for now, or just avoid it entirely if you don't want to use it anymore, if you really want to delete it, because that's the only option that you have. Instantaneous deleting does not exist. And yes, that is how you delete your account on Telegram. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, and subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel, and see you in the next one.